My role is to serve the customers. It's also provide customer care tools for my support team and for all the departments in Swisslog.
We have to continually keep up with their needs and demands, and also the evolving IT structure. So every time there is a new threat to their environment in a hospital, we have to test it in our system. And the closer we can get to the actual hospital, the better chance we have of getting it right the first time and not interrupting their operations. The manufacturing and logistics area is roughly 50 people that support the global effort. We run one shift 7 days a week, and we have more manufacturing lines than we do people. We use the Toyota lean principles, so we have a very flexible workforce based on the needs of our customers, whether it's a big construction project, a smaller upgrade, or building a part that may have not been built in 10 years to support a 30-year-old customer. We'll do that, whatever it takes to support our customers.
We offer a few things that are unique among all of our competitors, including proactive service. Most of the time when you think of service, it's reactive. A customer calls you, sends an email, you react to this service. We have remote system monitoring, which means with software upgrades and current systems, we can tell you when your system is having a problem, and we can reach out proactively to solve that problem. In North America, our customers expect us to respond and be prepared to fix their problem when we first receive their call or request, or when we proactively reach into their system to find the data to locate the problem. These facilities and our infrastructure, including our browser-based support tools, means we're prepared to do that from the second we answer the phone call. Most of our administration duties are already taken care of. There's less tapping on a keyboard, because with our integration of our systems, we already know who we're talking to and what we're talking about. We're the place that you can go to find the answer for the question you don't even know yet.
And we have redundant fiber optics, and also redundant, now we have a 1 megawatt generator, so we're able to operate for 17 days. If the power were to go out, never happens in Denver, a storm maybe a couple days, so we've never had that. So with redundant power, redundant fiber optics, we're able to support our customers now better than we ever have, and allows us to have 5.9 reliability of our network, which more and more of our customers are relying on constant network communication between us and our customers. We support products that are over 30 years old, and we have to supply spare parts 7 days a week worldwide to keep our customers up and running, because they're in the hospital, and the hospital never shuts down.